Are we really going to clean all of these cushions with the toothbrush?
Here, you can use this one. Go.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Argold Road. This video is day 3, 4, and 5 of us cleaning of the Airstream. We finished up the bathroom, but we spent most of our time cleaning the dirt and grime off of these leather couches, which made a huge difference. It looks so much better. So without further ado, let's go see how much fun we had. Wait, before we go check out the video, please hit the subscribe button below. See all of our upcoming videos from all the travel destinations we've been to, state parks we visited, and also how-tos on how to clean a trailer or fix any of your vintage trailers. Alright, now let's go see how much fun we had cleaning this trailer. Kicking doors at me?
My butt, I'm trying to clean this side of the couch. Yeah, I went to my mom's door. I was like, hey mom, I need a scrub brush, you know, something you clean the counters with.
Pretty sure that's a toothbrush. Electric toothbrush?
I don't know, but it's gonna take a really long time for me to clean now.
So she doesn't have anything?
So she finally,
Oh.
Finally, she was like, I don't understand what you're asking for. I was like, what do you mean? I need a cleaning scrub brush. She was like, oh, let me see.
All of it to look like that.
Okay, well, why didn't you do the rest of it like that?
We'll trade. You go do the bathroom. Daphne, you want to clean the bathroom?
I'm so disappointed in you right now.
Me?
Yeah.
Because I showed you what to do?
Slacker.
Yep, she's hard at work just like she said she was.
I'll quit right now.
I have a question for you. Have you ever cleaned a leather couch before? If so, leave a comment below. What have you used to clean it? What products? Did you use something different than a toothbrush to clean it? We would like to know. It took us a long time to clean these couches, but we felt like we got most of the dirt out by using a toothbrush, which sounds weird.
Hey guys, we are finally done with the couch. Smash that like button. Told you I'm better.
See you next time.